Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this dresser that we're going to redo. First thing we're going to do is remove all the hardware. We're going to sand it down. We're going to put our Dixie Belle drop cloth color paint on it. I've got all my brushes out. I got all my tools out. Got my sander ready. So let's begin by taking the hardware off and getting this thing sanded and prepped. Alright, we have our sander, our 100 grit sandpaper. We're just going to give it a quick over. It's already in pretty good condition, so nothing really stands out as an issue, so we'll just get started. Alright, so we've got our piece all set up. We're going to start painting with our Dixie Belle drop cloth. We've got our Dixie Belle large brush and our chip brush so we can get all the nice details, get it all done. We're going to put 2 coats on this for a nice solid finish, and then we'll put some clear coat on it. So let's start painting. Okay, so we've gotten 2 coats of the fluffy white paint on it, and now what we're going to do is just do a light scuff on the edges, kind of give it just a worn in look. I really like that look, so we're going to do it. So first thing is, grab some old sandpaper, and we're just going to scuff up the edges. We're just going to go over the surface just a little bit, cause some little scratches and things like that. Maybe put in some deeper scratches every once in a while, give it a nice look. And then we're going to clear coat it. So follow along as we start sanding it. Alright, we've sanded, scuffed this piece down, we vacuumed it out again, and then wiped it down nice and clean, got rid of all the dust. Now what we're going to use is a wax product by Dixie Belle. It's called Clear Matte Spray Wax. Really easy to use. We're just going to spray it on, and then I'm using an old sock. Looks like it's one of my old socks. Looks like it's still in pretty good condition. I guess my wife thought it was ready to get tossed out, so we'll use it. But all we're going to do is spray. We've got nice weather, and then we're just going to wipe off the excess after just a few minutes, and that's it. It'll be all waxed up, so follow along. Hey, maybe the dog will want to help. Alright guys, here it is completed. Drop cloth white from Dixie Belle Paint. We use our Dixie Belle paint brushes, and we use their wax, the spray wax. Super easy to use. Look at the results. It's nicely scuffed. Even the inside looks pretty cool. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel. We're always looking for those wonderful likes. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and you can see all of our pieces up for sale on our website. Our Vintage Statements. We even have pretty cool shirts. Maybe a little cleaner than this one though.